I am making my deep fried turkey breasts with cranberry mayo. They're super juicy on the inside with a thick, crunchy breading on the outside. They're basically just giant pieces of fried chicken. My turkey breasts have been brining in a tasty buttermilk bath for 4 hours. I've taken them out and allowed them to come to room temperature. And now all I have to do is dredge and fry. So I have my dredging mixture here, which is flour, cornstarch, paprika, baking powder, salt, and some poultry seasoning. Rather than just put the turkey directly in here, I'm first gonna drizzle in some of my reserved buttermilk brine. I only need about a 1/4 cup. And what this is gonna do is help form some clumps of this dry mixture so that you get a thicker coating of the breading. So you get more of the best part. Now the most efficient way to do this is to get in here with my hands. That's what God made soap. Just get this in here and get it completely coated in my dredging mixture. Make sure to fill it up with the clumps too. I'll gently lower this into my hot oil here. It's heating to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna lower it away from me in case it splatters. This is the moment. Listen to that sizzle. It's partying already. I'm gonna fry this for about 15 minutes until it's golden brown all over with an internal temperature of 160 degrees. I realize that dinner gets all the focus on Thanksgiving, but my actual favorite Thanksgiving meal is obviously the leftover sandwich. The holiday that keeps on giving. This is one handsome turkey. I'm gonna remove it to my wire rack. And putting it on a rack like this as opposed to a paper towel prevents the bottom from getting soggy. While it's still hot, I'll sprinkle it with some flaky salt, a little lemon zest, and sumac for a lovely sour quality. That is a show-stopping piece of meat. Okay, I'm gonna fry up the rest of my turkey and then whip up a cranberry mayo for serving. My fried turkey is resting, so it'll be extra juicy when I slice it up, which leaves the perfect amount of time to make my sauce. It'll be creamy and tart, and a really nice stand-in for gravy since I don't have any pan drippings to make a gravy with. I'm gonna start with some mayonnaise, add in some canned cranberry sauce, a little lemon juice, pepper. I'll stir it up. This will be the ideal spread on my leftover sandwich later too. By this time, my turkey has come up to an internal temperature of 165 for peak juiciness. I'll get some good thick slices on a bias. Here she is. I mean, this has got to be the easiest turkey carving experience. No bones. I'll fan this out onto my serving platter. I'll slice up the other 2 pieces. And in case anyone needs a little more lemon, like my mom, some wedges to nestle in. Look at this. It's terrific for Thanksgiving. Once you go deep fried turkey, you never go back.